30-30s, guys. So first 30 seconds boxing, just keep it nice and sharp, nice and relaxed, moving around the target, practicing, keeping it all sharp. Don't load up, just keep a nice boxing rhythm. Try and get into a rhythm, stay relaxed, get into that flow, moving the feet and the hands, the head. Keep that going for 30 seconds. As soon as you hear that bell, we're going to switch. There it is. Straight into speed punch. So by keeping the hands on the chin, turn the hands right over. Nice, long, straight shots. Try not to go too close to the bag and shorten them up too much. You want to try and keep them nice and long. Turn them right over at the end as well. And then just look at my hands, they're coming straight back to the chin. They're not going low. I'm not getting lazy with them. Really burning through on them shoulders as well. Trying to keep it nice and fast, nice and flowy. And then now we go to power, driving these shots in. You can touch away as well, touch, then find that big shot. So it doesn't always have to be loads of big shots. Touch, find that big shot. Driving them home, really loading up, using them hips and the legs to get maximum power in the shots. Work it as hard as you can, guys. Push yourselves.
Go.
That's it. Now we're going to go straight into the next, back into our next 30, which is back to boxing. So you start to feel a bit taxed by now and get back on that jab. You start to be breathing a little bit heavier. You definitely feel it in them legs as well, where you've just sat down on the shots, driving them home. That's it, keep working your boxing, stay relaxed, get back into that flow. Sometimes it's like a real fight. You'll load up, you'll have a few shots, bang, 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 bang. Then you need to get back on that jab, get that breather, settle yourself down. And then we're going back again to our speed punches, just turning them over nice and fast. Keep
Shift your feet to southpaw.
Straight back to your chin,
while you're
turn
punching.
Turn it over,
Right.
nice and long. That's it, good. Keep working that.
All
All the way back in, elbows come back into the body as well. Don't let them flare out. Again, so many people will start to shorten the punches a lot because it does start to get harder. So try and keep them as long as you can. Even here, I'm shortening them a little bit, but we want to keep it long. Now here, finish strong. Power, let's work. Good. That's it. Drive them home. Last little bit now. Then we get that breather, we get that rest, and we can go again.